welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way you can achieve box braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb and my shining gem. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from the back, just exactly the way I'm doing, just a straight line. I usually use two mirrors, one in the front and one in the back, so this works well for me. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm going to take my shining gem and just make sure the line is clean or whatever. Done sectioning the first line, I'm going to section that line into three, taking my shining gem, making sure my lines are clean, and then using my rubber bands just to hold the hair. I'm not going to be using the rubber bands as I'm braiding. I'm just holding my hair as I section, guys. That way my sections don't get messed up. So as you guys can see, I'm just placing them once. I'm not even, tying them tight or anything. That's exactly what I'm doing, just to make sure I hold the sections. I actually have about 26 sections in my hair because I wanted them to be like medium size. I wanted them to be big but not too big. I'm going to be using this pre-stretched X-pression hair, and this is the 3X. It comes 3 in a pack, and this is 52 inches, and I'm using 2 packs, guys, okay? This is the amount of hair that I'm going to be using for each section. I'm going to section it into 2, just like I'm doing a normal traditional braid, sis. That's exactly what I'm doing, okay? Just gonna, take the clips and hold the other part of the hair that I'm not gonna be using right now. Take the rubber band out, take my shining gem, apply it to my scalp, making sure my hair is nice and sleek or whatever on the bottom. And then I'm going to section the hair into 3. Start braiding my natural hair just exactly the way I'm doing, just like you do your natural hair braid, okay? Just a normal braid, making sure it's not as tight on the bottom. So this is the only thing that you guys gotta make sure you do, because you want the crochet needle to go through. You don't want to break your hair trying to pull the hair in or whatever. Okay, so I'm placing the needle in going upwards first. Just gonna take the smaller piece that I had, okay? So apply a little bit of shining gem to it. Making sure I roll it on my finger, that way it's easier to get on the needle. Place it on the needle, close the latch, and pull it out. So exactly the way I'm doing, sis. As you guys can see, I'm not even having trouble pulling it out because, as I told you, my hair is not as tight when I was braiding it, okay? Making sure the hair is nice and equal on both sides. And then I'm going to take the crochet needle again, placing it in the other way, and taking the X-pression hair, because this is a bigger piece. I'm going to go closer to the tail and roll it on my finger, and then place it on the crochet needle, close the latch, and pull it out. Together you're going to have 3 strands, so 1, 2, 3, and then you're just gonna hold it and start braiding upwards. So this braiding technique right here, you want them to look like knotless braids. So that's what you're gonna do, start braiding upwards. So the other piece that you're holding your natural hair with, just make sure you're holding it really nice and tight. That way your natural hair is hidden as you're braiding down. This technique right here, very easy. If you had trouble doing this other technique, this one works like a charm. I mean, it works every single time. Trust me. You just gotta have the patience, sis, okay? This is a perfect, back to school right now. The kids want some hair done. Quick, easy styles that you can do an hour and a half, and you are done, sis, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys again. You're going to, take your shining gem, apply it to your scalp, braid your natural hair, just a normal braid. And then place the crochet needle going upwards first. Take the little piece, place it on the crochet needle, close the latch, pull it out. And then, as you're pulling it out, making sure they're nice and equal on both sides. and this is automatically going to hide your natural hair. So the other piece, you're going to go horizontal, going all the way to the tail, because this is a bigger piece. That way you can place it once, sis. Put it on the needle, close the latch, and pull it out, making sure they're nice and equal. So together you have 3 strands. The middle piece is going to be hiding your natural hair. Just going to start braiding down, okay, sis? So going upwards, okay, just braiding up, just exactly the way I'm doing. And this is so easy. Like, anybody can actually do this. I want my sisters to be able to do their hair by themselves, to be able to go outside and be like, sis, you're looking all kinds of cute. I'm in 2021. We are winning. How about that? I'm going to show you again. Take your shine and jam, apply it to your natural hair. Separate your hair into 3, braid it all the way down. Take your crochet needle, place it upwards first, okay? Take the smaller piece from the X-pression hair, place it on the needle, close the latch, and pull it out. The next part, you're just going to place the crochet needle again, going the opposite direction, right? And then you're going to take the bigger piece and placing it on the needle, close the latch, and pull it out, making sure they're nice and equal. And then you're just going to start braiding, making sure you're holding really nice and tight on the bottom. That way it looks really, really neat on the bottom. Okay, that's what we're trying to do, sis. This is so easy. It actually took me an hour. Listen, this is the easiest of them styles. Like, if you don't know how to grip hair from the root, sis, this is it for you. You can do this. You can do this on your sisters. You can do this on your cousin. You can do this on your clients. You can do this on yourself. I mean, we're trying to win in 2021. Why we're still talking, sis? Have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what's juicy. Yes, sis. Today's shout out goes to Olivia Chuku. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, sis. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all you're doing. Thank you for the love. I really, really appreciate you, sis. You are a real one today. Okay, sis. So the last one, sis, we're going to do the same concept. Apply some shine and jam. Braid your hair, your natural hair, all the way down. Take your crochet needle, place it first, okay? And then take the little piece of the X-pression hair, place it on the needle, close the latch, pull it out, making sure they're nice and equal, both sides. Take the bigger piece of the X-pression hair, closer to the tail, place it on the needle, close the latch, pull it out, and then making sure they're nice and equal on both sides, and then just start braiding down. I mean, this is the easiest technique I have ever seen in my life. I mean, this one right here is going to work for anybody. I'm just gonna take my mousse and make sure my hair is laid all the way down, you know, with all these flyaways and everything gotta be laid all the way together, sis. And then I'm going to be using my Jamaican black castor oil mixing with my coconut oil to make sure, you know, my scalp is nice and moisturized, sis. That's what we gotta do. And I'm going to be laying my baby hairs using my Kiss Edge Fixer, using my brush. You know what it is. I got this brush from Amazon. Of course, you already know what it is by now. And then I'm going to be using my styling strips just to make sure everything is laid, honey. And you know your girl got to accessorize, because I'm the accessorizing queen. So today I'm going to be using these beads. These are my daughter's beads, but you know what? A sis got to come all the way through too, right? Anyways, I'm going to be using this beader that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to place 4 beads on each braid, and then I'm going to be using my rubber band just to make sure it is nice and secure. And baby, when I tell you this style came all the way through, yes, sis, I am feeling these braids right here. And you know me, I gotta throw in some styles here and there, and baby, these styles are coming all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling them. Let me know if you guys are gonna be trying this hairstyle right here. 2021, baby. We are winning, honey. We are winning. You can rock this. You know, summer is almost over, but I was like, yo, I gotta come up with some color, another color. And baby, this burgundy and pink is coming all the way through. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all you're doing for this channel. I mean, guys, I cannot believe we are here today. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 300K because, baby, it is up from here. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Tupo1 and make sure you tag me in the pictures, guys, when you try these styles. Okay. Don't forget to share this video with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt. Because sharing is caring, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.